Food. Calma. Prior Lake. Storm. Move indoors immediately and stay away from windows. This storm is capable of causing severe injury and significant property damage. Severe thunder. Service in Hazleton has issued a tornado warning for locations impacted include Starbuck. Hazleton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Sevier County in north central Keysota, Cherokee County in north central Keysota. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated it. 60 miles per hour. Headed near. Moving east. 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include the Starbuck. Open doors to a sturdy building. Avoid wind. Severe thunder north central Keysota. Doppler radar indicated a tornado on the ground there. Avoid windows.